Strange. Very strange. Oh, there it is. I'm sorry if you're here. Ah, there's no one here. That's better. And now... since you know I'm actually streaming during the day, now you can hear the jets. So, you're watching now, you're watching later. If you hear loud thunder in the background, it is the jets, because I live right next to an Air Force base. The Air Force base is like 3 or so miles away from here, so. And they're F-35s, so they're super, super loud. All right. That should be fine. I see you in there, you cheeky people. Welcome to the stream, you lurkers. What was I saying? Toad or froglets? Froglets. You froglets. Anyways, I didn't get the game jam game done in time, but might as well finish it since it was already this close anyways. So, I have to turn down OBS because it's going to be, or not OBS. I have to turn this down because it's going to be so very loud if I don't. It's already so way down. Well, it's going to go down even further because it's very loud. But honestly, just working on like the last little bit of things, of like bugs, and like I'm not even this hard set on figuring out what the bugs are and just releasing it, and then just having people be like, there's bugs, like this bug that makes the sound glitch the entire time, and then oh, look at that, the sound didn't play for this jump scare. That's cool. That's wonderful. So because I added this. It would have to be because I added this, right? I just wanted to add another sound. I just don't know how to do it. All right, where did I put him? He's all the way back here. I think that's where, nope. I don't know if this is where it is. Oh yeah, so it's right there. Okay, cool. He's gonna jump scare me. Nope. It's because this is down all the way? Is that because of it? I mean, everything else happens fine. That's the only thing I could think of that it would interject with that. Maybe. But honestly, that I just like I'll put this before then, but whatever. That's fine. That's fine. I know where he is, so I can also make this like the true horror game it is and turn off the sound or the music, I guess. But I also don't know where he's at because he just kind of wanders around. Oh, there he is. Don't scare me. There we go. Interesting. Interesting. The sound didn't play all the way through. Did I change this number at all? Alright, I changed those a bunch, didn't I? I also only have like an hour till I have to go to work, so I'm only going to be here for a bit. It's just working out the bugs and then releasing the bits that I have. So, and then I'll link it to my Discord and here, and I'll see that you guys can play it as well. Even though you're getting the behind the look of the game. I think that one should be fine. Does this one still play? That one's there. Well, I could add a knocking sound to this one. That'd be interesting. Probably not, though. Probably not. There's also a sound that I'm not showing you guys that I've already added to the game, and I've tested that it works, and it's fucking hilarious. It is so funny. So if you guys play it, you will hear it at some point, because it would be crazy if you didn't hear it. So the sound is working. It's this that's not working. When they see you, or if they stop seeing you, right? Seeing a player, they stop seeing you. Then it should fade out. But it doesn't fade out. Percentage of audio components calculated volume to which fade. Can you just do stop playing? Isn't there like a stop playing options instead of fade out? Stop. 2D sound? No. You see chasing music, I could just stop it, right? I could just do like this, I could just go. Stop. Stop jumping. Stop tracing. Stop delay, stop audio bus. This is probably it, right? Stop delayed. Cues request to stop sound have to provide a delay in seconds. Stopping immediately after delay is 0 or negative. We could just do stop, right? Any delegates needed. So do chasing music and stop. Maybe we just do this. Or I guess we could just go. Let's see if this works, right? Let's just see if this works. I can also. Nope, I cannot. I can go back over here and do that. It's somewhere over here. It's this one. There we go. Now it is true. True of the game. 100%. Immersive view. Alt P. Okay. Alt P. I don't know if you guys can hear this. Oh fuck. It doesn't stop. It doesn't stop. Yep, now he doesn't see me anymore, but it's still going, right? So I wonder. This is what I wonder. Is I wonder if it's the sound that I'm using. The horror violins. Not maybe violins. It's supposed to be this. It is not that. I think it's supposed to be that. Sensing player. Do I need to do this over here as well? Put this in the branch and have it be get is not valid? Is not valid? It's not valid when you spawn the sound? If you do not see the player. Chasing music equals scary sound music. Nope. I always see people after doing like one game jam, after like their first game jam, they say to a group chat of like, hey, I'm looking for people to make my dream game. It's just not realistic. Spend like $10-15 years on a game, you'd be making different games. We have to go test to see if it works. I know his AI sensing works. Well, now it doesn't work anymore. This jump scare works. So, you know, that's great. That's wonderful. So it's not valid as there. That's what you have to do then. I see. I see. Cool. Probably just have to go back to the video I was watching. So I don't know why it's not happening.
To us directly. In this case, let's say this into variable, so we can then do things with it. So the chasing music, or whatever I want to call it. And then what I'm going to do is also do a fade in. And it will take like maybe now to see the basically is wandering around the scene. Okay, there he goes there. That it is only it's not already playing, so we can just do a get, right click and set is validated again. So basically if it's not valid, okay, basically if the sound has not been jet quick, it's very important because not that happens, but just, you know, you just start to create millions of sounds at the same time. So let's go here. He saw me.
That's what I want. But it's not doing that. Music. I don't know. I don't know if that does anything. That probably doesn't do anything either. Sound always uses master and audio. Check sync, ignore submix. Does it need to be clicked off? No. Yeah, what? Yeah, I think.
Oh my god. Sound has not been jet. It's very important because not that.
If I turn that off, does that do anything? Who knows? Who knows if that does anything? All right. I know you can do like the other, like you can do yes and no, so you can do where it's like this set no, right? So you set the chasing music. I sort of put chasing music as a bool and then say you have done or you haven't done it, right? because it's loops. So I could do, if you've done this, have done it, right? If you've done this right here, then you have done it. And then if you haven't, uncompleted, maybe? Complete. Or not, I don't know. Wait for message complete. Wait for a scan to be complete. Call during editor setup before post assets and classes not yet loaded. Cut that out of there. Save, compile. Look, there's I made these things so you can like hide them in there. They're now blending in. It's very bright out there. Oh, you are stuck in the ground if you do that. Cool. That's so good to see that I did that. I have to go around to all of them and raise them up. Look, the banana. It blends in so well with the ground. That's no good. I don't know where the guy is. I legit don't know where he is. But I do need, oh look, he's right there. He's staring at a wall. Same. Yippee! That's the one secret, is now he says yippee. Alright. You guys, I need you to move up a bunch. Where did I put the other one? Put a couple others down, right? Thought I put others down. Oh, there's one right here. Forgot about this one. It blends in with the background, you know. Oh, did I raise you guys up? I don't know if I did or not. I did now. Going back here? Thought I did. Did I not? Oh, right there. Who are you? Huh. Don't know. Oh, cool. That's all of the lights. Influence radius. So you can bring this down and be less influential or be more. Let's see. Well, I might just ship it as is, just have it be what it is. The only other thing is I need to do is the banana. It just kind of change it a little bit. Allows you to override this physics material for a simple collision of this body. I don't want to do the collision, I want to do like this one. I want to add another one. Add another material. Like I want to make it produce mass. What I could also do is I could also just go in here and raise it up a whole bunch. Kind of push it back further into the corner so you can see it. Right? And then holy cow, that scared the crap out of me. Thank you for the follow. Thank you for the follow. That scared me so bad. Might be because I'm programming a horror game, but that honestly scared the fuck out of me. But thank you for the follow. It gets me closer to my goal. Holy cow. I scared me so bad. But thank you for the follow, Ordinary Clover. I do appreciate it. I really appreciate it if you're one of the lurkers. You purged a few follows? What do you mean? Like you purged people? I wonder if I can make this rotating in the air to make it more noticeable. Or give it a shadow. I don't know if that's possible. Give it a bigger shadow than everything else around it. Twitch is a follow limit? It does? Holy cow, I didn't know that. What is it, like a couple thousand? Yeah, just follow a couple thousand people. There we go. Back to live. They left. It's alright. It's alright. I bet that's fine right there. There's nothing game breaking in the game right now. You can win the game, you can lose the game. I'm not here for long today. Might leave soon. That's fine. That's totally fine. I have to leave in like 45 minutes to get ready for work. Have you followed me before? Are you an alt account? Are you brand new? Also, are you a developer or are you a DID person? Or you could be something else, but that's usually who I get, is developers or DID people. Play from here. Okay, for the banana you can see easier. Yippee! I could change this. I could do a thing to make it easier to view. Oh no! The stream crashed and everyone left. We were here before, with no textures. Yes, we were. Adam was there. And then that game died. I don't know what happened. But the map glitched out and it wasn't there. But then when I would go to edit the map again, it was there when I would play it, and it was just broken, 100% broken. Don't know what happened. And so that's why I'm trying to not do too much with this. Just trying to get it down to where it's working, you know. And it doesn't seem to be working, so I might just turn off the sound in actuality when he chases you, and I might just have that play all the time. You have a good one as well. It was nice to have you around. I'm just gonna have it played all the time. That's what I've decided that. Just play it at a softer volume. Hello, Sapphire. Welcome in. We are fixing the broken ass game. It's not broken. It's not ass. It's just making me frustrated, is what it's doing. What is this? Oh, right. Wake up scared, and then you do that, and then you do that. Okay. But how are you doing today? I need to know how to do logic states in here, but I don't know how to do logic states. What's not working? The enemy, his audio plays. So he has an audio, or not right now, I took it away, but he had an audio where if he would sense you, then he would play like a boss music thing, but it would just play. It would continually start a new playing our audio, and so it just glitch out. It was not great. Doing pretty well. Return some library books and apply to some jobs. Nice. I hope you get those jobs, all of them. I hope you get every single one of those jobs, and you get all the money. But now I'm kind of just sick of it, and so I might just release it from where I'm at. There definitely needs to be something when they're coming towards you, because otherwise, what's the point? It doesn't seem that scary. I think do you like the wake up? I love that. The wake up. The wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up. Oh, it's so good. So good. I'm gonna turn that up. I think these are fine as a 1. So you need to add a delay to the trigger, or just have it not be. And well, yeah. So I did have that. I did have a delay, right? So what I had looked like was, I'll go back to it. Where we're sensing is, it's right here. I had like delay play sound at location, and the location was self. I don't know if I can drag self down here, but mesh. Nope, I can't do that. How did I do this before? It was get pawn get BP AI, not cast to BP. Nope, I don't remember how to do this, but I did play at location, play at his location. But I guess if it's playing for him, it's just play duty sound. Play duty sound, and then that would be the night. Nope. Violins. Violins. If I can spell. And then a wasn't a trigger. What was it? It was a it is a set. It's this one. Changing music. Was it breakpoint? Was it notes? How did you do this before? Oh, it's spawn 2D sound, that's why. Maybe it's because it was a spawn 2D sound and not play 2D sound. Actually, because I had it as spawn 2D sound before. But I can just go fade in. Maybe not. Let's try that. Let's try that. Oh, I need to actually go to where he's at. Back here. Oh, he turned around. Come back over here. Come back over here. Wow. It was absolutely because it was spawn and not play. I'm stuck in a corner. You can only come and get me. But then the jump scare didn't happen. Why didn't the jump scare happen? So I have 35% volume. If I do 1%, if I do the same multiplier, it's gonna be fucking loud. But that's the reason why I didn't do it last time. I just do stop. Well. I don't think the AI can come through here. I didn't know that it gradually gets louder over time. And so I can set a limiter. I just didn't know because it would never work before. But it's a thing that I can do. Where is this man? I'm not even gonna pick up the gun. I'll pick up the gun actually. I don't care. Hello, man? Where did you go? Actually, I should test this out too, now that I'm out here. Last time I got stuck doing this, so... Yep, it's still being stuck. That's weird. So these ones aren't usable then. Because you get stuck in the floor no matter what I do. No matter how I change this, you get stuck. Like, the only way through is walking through the... That's the only way to get through. That's so strange. Is there a specific function that increases the volume? No. There can be a specific volume or thing that decreases the volume. Do 0.5. So it wouldn't be as loud and it would get less loud or loud less fast. Override concurrency settings to play sound with start time. Because this is always playing is what that is. So this seems really complicated over here. I don't think I need to do this. Or is it just a bunch of the same sound file playing over each other? No. Or it might be that, but I don't think so. I don't think it's that. Because it's consistently checking if it sees me, so probably need to set this just to a different level, right? I could do an, I don't know if I can do it here, but I know I could like do an if else, right? So I could do, okay, it's not if else, but like this I can think of. I could make a bool, I guess. I could do Jesse music bool, and I could just go like this, right? And if it hasn't happened, right? So if it's hasn't happened, it can do it, and then which then this would be set to true. And then also I could get another one in here and set that to, can I do two things? No, I can only do one thing. Or what I could do is I just separate, I just go back and do, this goes here, break all these, break all pins. If set value as bool, so can I do both? No, I can only do one. So if you see the player, you do it and then it set it to true. And if you haven't done it, no, that wouldn't work. Have you I need chasing music in here somewhere. You haven't done it? Chasing music. Then delay, right? No, that wouldn't make sense. In actuality, that would not make sense because it's chasing music bool. Set true. If it's set to false, and you can't do it. If you come up here, I don't know what time it is. What do you want? What do you mean? It's downstairs. I'm pretty sure you won't like the flavor, but here you go. If you haven't done it yet, then you can do it and then it senses it true. If you try to do it again, you've already done it. So that should work. But then what calls this? This up here needs to be the chasing bool or music bool. Wait. It's false. Okay. So get. That's set. That's set. This should be get, not set. So this one should be get. And I'll increase it to a variable. Maybe. Whoop, whoop. Pull that up there, pull this up down here. Should work, right? This should work. And this is set or get. And then I can just get rid of that and then set this to false. I think set it to true, and this would call the true and stop it. Maybe. I may be doing this completely wrong. Oh, look at that. Must have a connection. So this one I must have a connection of background, jump scare. Is it in the other one? On accident? I know I've actually accidentally put one in the other one. Did I take the other one out? Apparently so. But okay. Is this the same sound? No. This one just goes up. I think this is a crescendo. So this one actually just... That's what this one's supposed to do. I was meant to play that one. Not that one. But I could also do piano chase. Right. Do that. So I'll just like go back a bunch. I don't think it was just the sound. This over here, it was a you do this, you don't even do this, come over here and you do why are you getting this a set? Or get right here. Alrighty, so I guess we just get. What? Whatever, here's what we'll do. How'd you do this?
You know, you just start to create this not valid. Do a get, right click, and set is validated again. So basically,
Oh, I see. So you do chasing music, get, and then you set as get valid. Okay. And then if it's not valid,
this happens where you basically if the sound has not
it's not there. And you come over here and you go set, or not set, you go grab this again, you set it. Is that why you did the chasing? Like you did spawn 2D sound? 2D sound. Create audio components of the setting specifically for non-specialized. This all seems really complicated, honestly. Like, a little too complicated. That's like, doesn't need to be complicated, right? And then piano chase. And then up here, when you stop sensing them, then you just stop piano chase. How does this not make sense? You can't just stop audio. That does not make sense. I can try something just really quick, just to like. It's taking such a long time to do. Debug. Oh, it was the, gotcha. Hey, come back here. Come back here. Oh, I see the problem now. I see the problem now. I see the problem. Well. All right. Stupid, come back down here. Stupid. Hey. Cool. Music just stopped working altogether. Oh, it's because it's not connected. There we go. That's fine. That's fine. Volume. I don't know. I'm just gonna do this.
Just click on this, and then you have to choose a location.
Don't judge me. Oh. There it goes.
So go ahead, choose a folder, select the folder, and that will be it. Okay, so you will end up with this Windows folder, okay, which will contain all the things that your game requires and the .exe, which is the most important thing. Now, you cannot just simply give them the .exe. The .exe needs all of these folders and, you know, information in order to run. A lot of people might just think that just putting up the .exe will work. No, you have to upload the whole Windows folder. So, for making things a bit more, you know, accessible, what you have to do is zip it, as I have done here. So you select your Windows folder, right click, and just you know, zip it into a nice folder, change the name to your game name, and that is what you are going to be uploading to HIOs. But much more convenient to upload a zip file, as you might imagine. So just make the size way smaller and just more compressed, so you can just upload it easier to the HIO, and as actually recommended by HIO themselves. So once you have your build and your, you know, packaged project, what you have to do is go, of course, to the HIO page, create an account or sign in, whatever you need. And now we're gonna go up here into this arrow, and you will see that we have a button to upload a new project. So we would click on this button. As you can see, you would fill everything that you need: your game title, the URL, the tags that you will use, your classification if it's a game or whatever it is, the kind of project. Now this is very important. Well, it's not very important, but just informing HIO, you know, what type of project is. In this case, if it's downloadable, if it's HTML, whatever. And in this case, we downloadable because you're downloading the zip file with everything, right? And then, you know, the release status, the pricing, and then everything, right? And then, you know, the release status, the price, because you're downloading the zip file with everything, right? And in this case, we downloadable because you're downloading the zip file with everything, right? And then, you know, the release status, the pricing, and then when it comes to the actual important thing, which is uploading the files. So you can see the file size limit is 1 GB. That's why we zip the folder. But if not, you can use the butler thing to upload your game if it's bigger than 1 GB. But that's a whole different thing, which I'm not gonna cover in this tutorial. So you just click upload files and you select that zip, and that should be it. Just fill in your stuff and details, genre tags, blah 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 blah, and then you can just go ahead and set this to public and save and view page. Now, of course, make sure to upload also the cover image and the gameplay trailer and screenshots and whatever you need. With that, you can just, create a draft, see if everything is okay, and then just mark it as public and save it, and your game will be uploaded to itch.io. So that's it for this tutorial. If you found it helpful, I would really appreciate it if you could like the video and subscribe to my channel.
Great. Great, score! Alright, cool. Well, this will be it when I get this downloaded. I'll try to upload it to itch. Although, might be really big, so might not be able to upload it to itch today. I might have to do the Butler thing. Hey, there we go. Let's go down. I didn't get to use the cool things that I wanted to use. Look, I have this cool sound. I'm gonna turn it down because it's super loud. How do I turn it down? I don't know what this does. Just gonna put them all down. There we go. There we go. All right, you ready? It's very loud. It's very cool though. Let me upload it to my itch. I already have an itch up for it. Just have to. Oh wait, I have to zip it first. Forgot to zip it. And real projects. Same dream. Oh hey, it's not that bad. It was bigger before, so that's nice. That is pretty nice. General projects. Same dream. And this will be downloadable.
Public and the files, and you select that zip, and that should be it. Just fill.
Cool. Executable, and then yeah. Public. in a game. Public. And let me upload a cover image of the amazing cover image that I made in Canva. Canva's great. You should use Canva if you're gonna make your games. It's free. So you should do it. And let me take a few screenshots. Alt P. Control Alt. Print screen? Is that what this is? Hold on, is that how I do screenshots now? I haven't done screenshots in a long time. Control Windows print screen? Probably. Right? I don't remember. Control Windows. Print screen. No. Windows Alt. Print screen. Windows G. I know you can do it that way. Wait, Windows G. What's the shortcut for this? Windows Alt. Print screen. Print screen. Cool. Windows Alt. Print screen. Pick up banana. Windows Alt print screen. And there we go. I know the sound is broken, but you know, what can you do? Windows G. And where are these located? Open file location. Thank you. And screenshots. What? Windows G. Open file location. Open file location. Well, you know what? Bunch of BS. I love my snipping tool. Snipping tools are the best. There we go. I don't have it updated yet, but there we go. that is that's the screen. So the one person who's watching, and the people who will watch later, it will not look like this later, hopefully. But go play it. It's an okay game. It's real okay. It works, kind of, but it works. So, banana. I'm gonna go to work. Let's go raid someone. The two people. Let's go raid. Let's have both of us go raid someone. You know. Let's go raid a small person, eh? Let's see someone small under the DID. Jeez. It's associated with identity disorder. Whoops. There we go. Copy that over. See if we have anything over here for these guys. Nope. Cool. Software and game development then. For you even still here? Oh, you're still here. Wow, look at that. Let's look up for someone who's an Unreal. That speaks English. Cool. English people, English people, English people. Here we go. We'll go raid this person. You're still here? You're still here? We're gonna go raid him. Even though it was me, I'll just go raid him myself. Right now. Let's go.
Let me just first check why I fucked up here again. Hey, Space Frog. Hello. Nice to see ya. This is close. This is close. I just want to figure out first why this is failing, this current approach. Ah, it's game about peace, It's game about peace. Basically, you have to run around with the soldiers. And currently, they kill each other. But that's because that's a feature, okay? Also, the enemies are not killing the guy because that's because the game was too hard, you know. So you can just control those soldiers, get some new ones with those little camps, and you try to go and not kill your entire team on your own. That's the game. As you can see, it's way easier to... Oh no. I was going to say that it's way easier to go through this game like with one soldier, but it turns out not exactly. Okay, let's make it like a big, very big press hold, because I just want to check if this logic is at all why do I do that? If this logic is at all, you know, close to something that resembles working code. I'm basically now working out of curiosity why this doesn't work. I don't even care. I just want to see why. What did I? Oh, this one stopped. This one stopped. This one stopped. For this one stopped. This one stopped for a minute and then started again. Yeah, so basically there's a math error here somewhere. This works with big enough threshold. We are always better than our players. Yeah. Yeah, math errors. Probably you should be good at math when you are making games. Not everyone is, I think. I don't hate math, usually, but now when I have to figure out what is the problem here. So I have the position zeroed at Y, which is cool. Maybe there's no problem, maybe just